how to download and install the REDNOTE app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can download and install the newly available app REDNOTE step by step. So let's just get started. So first thing first, open up your app store. If you're on an Android device, head over to your Google Play Store. Otherwise, if you're using an iPhone, open up the Apple App Store. Now, after you reach here, you can go ahead and tap on the search and go to the search bar and type in REDNOTE there. After typing in REDNOTE, you will see a list of results. Make sure to select the correct one. Right, this one right here. After that, you should be able to find an install option right beside it, and the app will start to be downloaded on your device. And make sure you have a stable network connection while you're downloading it. Once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your device, and this might take a few seconds depending upon your internet connection speed. After the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the app, and you may need to sign in or create an account in order to, depending upon the app's requirements. And that is it. Now you've successfully downloaded and installed the REDNOTE app. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share to my YouTube channel for more tech tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.